we're me, and this is Daniel, and we're doing Gordon Ramsay's recipe. It's him and Jamie Oliver's 10 out of 10 5-star recipe. Probably the best food ever made, and we're gonna guide you guys on how to do it, show you how to do it. So yeah, let's get dab on the haters, saying the lit fam. Okay, so step one is to get all the ingredients together. So the ingredients will be coming up. So we're just gonna go get these. Okay. Some leaves.
A thong? Yeah. Can't forget
so
that.
First, leaves. The fuck are you filming the thong? Leaves. Okay. Okay, so
Fucking retarded.
as you can tell, it's probably not poison ivy. But if it is, I'm probably gonna have to go to the hospital. Okay, so we got our leaves, fresh from the trees of Africa.
Sand is very nutritious and great perfect for a good meal.
So for our Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay meal, you're gonna have to have like 2 handfuls. But you get all the nutrition-y leaves and sticks with it as well, so that should be really good. Put it with the rest of the ingredients.
And a plate. Always good to eat. Make it easier.
That's where we put our food. Come on, man.
I
The
can't.
broskies are gonna be so upset now. Stop it, Lex.
Dirt is great. There's so many good things in dirt. It's
Adds
perfect.
a lot of great value.
Look how crispy it is. Oh, crispy. Beautiful.
This adds the grains value to your. So you got all of the 5 food groups in it. Excuse me, sir. Oh my! You're just throwing away all of our meal. Okay, thank you. And this is the last ingredient.
chocolate mousse.
You fucking dropped some leaf. You. Okay, this is the chocolate mousse. It adds the unhealthy bit because you know the sweetness, the sweet.
Dip it in. Beautiful.
Very nice. Okay, so last ingredient. Okay, so thank you for sticking with us while we got our ingredients. So first you put in the leaves. So into our mixing bowl. Then you put in the dirt. Okay, then you have to mix it around a bit. Okay, so it gets all the crispiness. The sand next. Okay. I can smell so good already. Okay, then you put in the chalky mousse. Very epic. Don't be surprised if we get cancer from this. Or, you know, some fucking AIDS. What other ingredients did we have?
Make a little.
What the fuck are you doing? What other ingredients did we have?
What's it?
Hey Jake, is that all our ingredients?
I don't fucking know.
Put your phone in.
Yeah, sure.
This bit of paper, very nutritional. Adds the great. So once you just mix it around with your hands a bit. Excuse me, don't want to fucking eat metal. Okay, fucking tetanus. Okay, so this is the finished product. As you can tell, the seasoning is just very epic.
Maybe mix it around a bit more.
Handfuls. Yeah, get some handfuls.
How it taste?
Very nice.
Delicious. Fucking delicious. I got paper. I want the leaves. Beautiful.
Fucking.
Middle's pretty good.
Probably visit the hospital if you start to have some symptoms of something bad. Man, why is it coming out my mouth? Look, I have a rest, man. I'm in such a good friend right now. Sharing is caring. It's like my motto.
Get it all over my clothes.
No way.
Now we're gonna give
So
some
now you can
kids a
pretty much
hug.
just lick the table. Okay, let's go. find some kids
gonna
in
go
Austin
lick
if
some
they want to
kids.
eat it. Excuse me. Do you want to eat some of our food? It's Gordon Ramsay. Oh, Derek. Okay, stop now. Excuse me. Do you want to eat some of our food?
It's really nutritious.
What the fuck?
Ew, go away. Ew.
Why won't anyone eat our food?
Would you like some? It's really unique and nutritious. It's beautifully made, handcrafted by two beautiful men.
Okay, hope you enjoyed our cooking tutorial like Filthy Frank likes.
tried our hardest.
It's completely satirical and stuff, and yeah. Hopefully this gets 6 million views and people know this is satirical, and then we make more videos like this so that Filthy Frank and Max Moffa and iDubbbz can kind of live through us and dab on the haters. Let's go.